the way the course is structured. So we look at, we present the ideas behind the Tottenham Hotspur way, the Spurs way. We do an assessment of the coaches as to where they are, following on from our first involvement in Module 1 with them. Then we come out again and we deliver some more sessions. We help them adapt their ideas, and then we come along and we assess them a second time based on what the principles they've learnt. The coaches have all done well. They've all improved. They've taken on board what we've said and our ideas and our values.
Been working with the coaches now for the past 3 days, helping them to improve their coaching styles, refining their coaching philosophy, looking at how we implement the Tottenham Hotspur ideas of coaching into the methods used with the Special Olympics athletes. And as a result of that today, we've gone through our assessment. Been huge improvement in the standard of the coaches.
Go fast! Go fast!
See, this event is training of coaches for Special Olympics Bharat. In fact, the Hotspur Club has come to India 2014, and they have carried a series of training programs around in Panaji, in Goa, Haryana, Calcutta and Gujarat. From there we have called for about 50 coaches here to Goa under the training of Spurs with Dan Slaughter here and Dan Dodge here. They have come again to assess some of those 50 coaches which were trained during the last 4 years. So this is a program so that our coaches are taken to a higher level in being able to train our special athletes in the various states of India.
How is the response of coaches?
The response of coaches depends on the Special Olympics Bharat. Special Olympics Bharat have selected them and brought them here to Goa to conduct these training programs.
For how many days it was?
This program is a 4 days program with the orientation in the classroom, theory and practicals at this Don Bosco grounds.